everyone. I hope everyone is doing good in their quarantine and stay safe, stay in your house. So in today's video, I'll be making Ava's food. I'll show you how this is the way I make Ava's food, and this is her favorite. So in this one, I'll be boiling sweet potatoes, 2 big sweet potatoes with apple, and over here I have butternut squash with red pears, or they call it red anju, USA. And then over here, carrots and banana. So I'll be boiling the carrots, but I won't boil the banana. I'll put this in the very end, just in the blender. And then over here, I have baby spinach, organic baby spinach, and then organic broccoli. And what I do, I boil this greens, and then I mix a little bit in this mixture, and butternut and pears and sweet potato and apple. So she'll have little greens in each one of the meals, because she eats morning, lunch, and dinner as well. So in the morning, she gets just cereal. She gets organic oatmeal banana by Gerber. I bought this from Amazon. I also have a silicone baby food freezer tray here, which is by Baby Bliss. I got this from Amazon, and if you have a just ice trays, you can use that as well, but I use this one because it's bigger container. Okay, so I'm gonna put the carrots first over here. And then I just put like 2 cups of water in here. That's the way I mix her food, because this is the way she likes it. And I like to add greens in her food because it's really good for her, and she doesn't mind the taste. So again, if this is your first time feeding your baby, make sure don't mix it with other food. So if you're gonna feed her sweet potato, just stick with sweet potato. Don't mix it with blueberry or other fruit. So you'll know if she's allergic to banana or blueberry. Okay? And I have introduced food to her when she was like 3.5 months. And she is 6 months old now. So she eats like everything. Except she doesn't eat any meat. No, she's gonna be a vegan, pure vegan. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of, I'm gonna put broccoli first. So I'm gonna put a little bit of broccoli, just like that. And it looks like it's drying, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water, spinach. Alright, so I already cut my sweet potatoes and the apple. Then I'll put it aside. That's gonna be next. I'll boil that. So while I'm waiting, I'll peel off the butternut squash or calabasa, carrots, broccoli, and spinach. It was ready. That's good. So I'm just gonna put it here. Cool. Okay. Then I'll be adding bananas. Here's, I think the water is already boiling. Now I'm gonna put the next batch, which is the sweet potato and apple. Okay, so let's put that. I didn't peel the apple because she gets vitamins in that one. So put a little bit of water. So while I'm waiting for the other one to cook or boil, I'm just having some snack here. This is a young coconut meat. really good and tasty. I bought this from a Filipino site. It's called sukli.com. So they have a lot of Filipino stuff. It's from the Philippines, and then they resell it here. So this one, I got this from the jar. It is, we call it makapuno, and it was soaked in syrup. So what I did is I wash it really well, because I don't like that extra sugar, and it's already sweet, so it's a good snack. Spinach and broccoli is cooled down. You're gonna put it in the blender. Banana. She loves banana. Ceres. It's 100% juice blend medley fruits. It comes with papaya, pineapple, guava, and mango puree, peach, and passion fruit juice. So again, I don't suggest using this to your baby food, because if she's allergic to papaya, pineapple, or guava, or other fruit that's already here, Mommy's making the food. Okay. So here, we're gonna just puree it. Alright, so it's all pureed now. Now I'm gonna transfer it to the freezing trays. This one. So because I only have one freezing trays here, I'm just gonna fill it up with this mixture. And the apple is ready, so I'm gonna put that to the side so it starts cooling. Leftover, she's gonna eat this tomorrow. Okay. Now it's ready to go through the freezer. So the leftover, I'll be putting it in the container. She's gonna be eating this tomorrow. Okay, so hello friends. So last night I was making a video how I make Ava's food, and my camera died, so I discontinued it and then continued this morning because it was late at night anyway, so we went to bed. So here, this is where I get cut off. So I made the I boiled sweet potato, broccoli, and spinach and apple. So I'm gonna puree this one, and I'll also transfer the black and then put a date on it, and then I'll put the next batch is the sweet potato, broccoli, apple, and spinach in this one. All right, so I'm gonna puree this. Ceres juice, just very little, probably like 3 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons. So you can see it's a pretty big serving, and she usually eats 2 of this per serving. I'll need to buy 1 more of these freezer trays so I can make more food for her.
make a video about the book.
Yeah, people that already bought your book. Okay, so this one we're gonna put this in the freezer, and then I'll do the other batch because she still have a lot of leftover. Again, you don't have to put broccoli and spinach if your baby doesn't like it. Just make it more like fruity. You can add like blueberries, strawberries, but I do that in different recipe for her. But this one I decided to put more greens like broccoli and spinach because we have a lot of spinach in the fridge, and the broccoli needs to be cooked, so might as well put it in her food.
Recording now?
Huh?
Recording right now?
I'm recording, but I can. And then the leftover, I'm just gonna put it in the container because she can eat this later. You can also add some avocado. I don't have avocado right now, so I'm gonna put it. Where is our baby? She's sleeping. Look at her, baby. Look at her. She's like doing this. Yeah. She usually takes nap like around this time. Like at 12:30 she usually takes nap. Yan, talagang sinisimot ko siya kasi sayang. Diba? Marami nagugutom sa mundo. Tsaka maraming nutrition to. Okay. Then I'm just gonna rinse it off and then I'll puree the other batch. Okay, so next we are going to put the butternut squash, broccoli. I think we put so we're gonna put the butternut squash, broccoli, spinach, and I'm gonna peel off the red pears. Can I use my hand? It's kind of mushy, I don't want to use it. She's sleeping, baby. Alright, so we're gonna put the so we're gonna put the butternut squash in the blender. Butternut squash, broccoli, and spinach, because I decided to give her greens for the week. She usually finishes this in a week. So this week is green team. Go green. She loves butternut squash. She likes everything I feed her. She is very easy to feed. As long as masarap yung simple niya, talagang uubusin. Malakas siyang kumain. Right? So that's the whole thing, and the fluid is about like over here, like 24 ounce. So it's just enough to puree it. And then I'm gonna put the alright, so we're gonna put the red pears. I peeled it off and took the seeds off. This one, they're really good. And we're gonna puree. Oh, she's taking a nap. I hope she doesn't. Buttered. Hello friends, so Ava's gonna have her dinner now. So she is going to eat the leftover I had this morning, or no, from last night when I blend the food. So this one, it's a carrot, banana, broccoli, spinach. So that's the one she's gonna have for dinner. Hi baby, you ready? Look at you, you look so messy already. She had some blueberry snacks this afternoon. And we usually video chat with her lola, grandma in the Philippines. Because over there it is... Nasaan si mama pa? Si Lolo. Si Lolo, Eva. You say hi. Eva.
Hello, Eva.
Oh. You say hi to Lola. You say hi to Lolo.
Eva.
Yummy.
Eating.
Oh.
Yummy, yummy.
So we usually video chat with her grandparents in the Philippines, because at this time United States or the East Coast is ahead 12 hours. No, we're behind 12 hours. Philippines is ahead 12 hours. So we're video chatting with them in the Philippines. Ava, what do you think? Alright, so as you can see, she loves to eat the food I cook. So it depends on what your baby likes. You can mix up you can mix up like blueberry, banana, or it's more fruity. But I like to put vegetables in her food. I like to put like green, like kale, spinach, or broccoli, and banana, and then sometimes I like to put frozen fruits, especially if I'm out of fresh fruit. And I try not to go to the store if I don't have to, and because we have a lot of frozen fruit. Oh, she loves the food. Look at her opening her mouth. And she makes that sound every bite. Look at her. Yum.
Birthday ngayon ng ating nanay. Kawawa naman. Aking
Ay! And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Say bye.